Sonic Frontiers is fine. Now, I don't want to mislead anyone from my 30-minute hands-on at Gamescom 2022 with the Hedgehog's first foray into open-world territory. Anyone that hasn't enjoyed Sonic since the character moved to 3D is unlikely to be convinced by its upcoming release. That said, I'm very excited. The control scheme most closely resembles Sonic Colors and the day levels in Sonic Unleashed, two of the more positive 3D experiences of the past 20 years. Sonic is pretty quick, shock, even at the lowest level, with his speed able to rise all the way to level 50. A generous sized boost bar helps movement constant, pushing you towards the next set of enemies, grind rails and or puzzles. My playthrough began on the second level, Aeris Island, a desert-filled land with the occasional oasis and a skyscraper-sized boss awaiting battle. These mechanical behemoths are called Guardians, and they needed to be defeated to retrieve vault keys and subsequently reclaim the Chaos Emeralds. Scattered across the Starfall Islands are portals to cyberspace levels that are self-contained, more traditional Sonic stages. The one I played was a Sonic Generation style 2D stage set in Green Hill Zone. Yes, Green Hill Zone again, though trailers online show some newer areas, so I have some optimism. Be that as foolish as it may, knowing Sega. Sonic now has advanced combat featuring special moves like Cyclone, Phantom Rush, Air Trick, Stomp Attack, Sonic Boom and Wild Rush, all of which can be unlocked through a skill tree, a first for the series. Combat felt fine to me, nothing special, nothing horrendous. Think a simplified werehog minus the transformation. These can be best put to use during fights. My boss encounter had Sonic grinding his way up multiple circular grind rails until reaching eye level with the enemy, then grinding around 3 more grind rails that border one another and surround the boss, while avoiding attacks on each until all the rails are lit up. This then sends an electric shock, allowing me to go in for the kill. Doing this twice defeated the Guardian, which was challenging, but in a good way. Using up the remainder of my time, it became clear that there are lots of collectibles in Sonic Frontiers. From memory tokens needed to rescue friends like Amy, to portal gear that unlocks, well, portals, to red and blue seeds for powering up the Blue Blur's attack and defense. There's a lot out there. I even discovered a crashed Eggman ship, only further adding to the mystery. Truth be told, going into this hands-on, I was nervous. I love Sonic games and defend a lot of Sonic's 3D outings, but can equally recognise the disasters of Sonic 06, Sonic Boom, Sonic Forces, etc. The list goes on. The vocal outcry from fans for Sega to delay the game has also been deafening. All of this taken into account, I had so much fun playing Sonic Frontiers and eagerly await its November release.